Hello everyone, this is Celina with EXP Realty, your trusted real estate advisor with our housing market update for the month of May 2020. All of our real estate activity dropped 39% over the course of March to mid-April, and that's not surprising because, as you know, Governor Ducey announced the state's shutdown at the end of March. So these numbers are only a reflection of that. We lost both buyers and sellers. Part of the activity that we lost were buyers that were actively looking but opted to pause their home search, and also buyers that were eliminated as borrowers as the lending guidelines got tighter due to the uncertainty that the pandemic was creating in the global markets. We also lost potential listings. So sellers that were ready to list their homes paused as well. And we were already in a market that was suffering from a housing shortage. So obviously that didn't help. However, since the third week of April, as people got used to the shutdown and they were making sense of it all, we had an increase of 40% in accepted contracts. This report is a glance at what happened at the end of April and the beginning of May. So basically, when the numbers come out and I report on that, it's already in the past. So one mistake that I see buyers make is wanting to know the numbers before they decide how they're going to act. They want to see the numbers, if the numbers are up or down. But by the time the report comes out, the condition that those transactions were created under may have already passed. So it's like being behind the trend. It's like trying to catch a wave by looking back instead of looking forward. If what you want is to know what's going on right now, then what you need to know is look at the accepted contracts. So the contracts that are being accepted in your price point and in your area, in comparison to, let's say, 8 or 10 weeks ago. And that information is not public knowledge because those contracts haven't sold yet. That information can only be obtained through your real estate agent. So we are seeing a significant increase in contract activity across all price points, especially under $500,000. So no, I don't think that prices are going to come down. In fact, the median sales price in the Phoenix Metro increased 9% last month. So prices are going up. The median price in the Phoenix Metro is $295,000 right now. And I feel for buyers that are looking below that price point because houses are just flying. They get multiple offers. The competition's really fierce. And people ask me if I think that the market's going to crash. And when I see those things, no, my answer is no, I don't think the price is going to crash. And buyers seem disappointed. And I don't mean to disappoint you. I'm just, by the sheer law of supply and demand, and I keep saying this, if there are not enough houses for the number of buyers, prices cannot come down. In fact, prices go up. So that's all I'm saying, and that's why I believe they're not going to come down. So if you're really asking is, can I still afford my payment even though houses are going up? Then the answer is yes, you may very well be able to afford your payment because guess what? Interest rates are historically low right now, and they've been lower than last year and lower than 2 years ago. So an interest rate, let's say right now is 3.25%, and then last year we were in the 4s. That's potentially, let's say on a house, a $300,000 house, that's like a $150 savings on your payment. That can be the answer between being able to afford it or not afford it. So buyers are expecting more right now out of houses. Even cash buyers are not even offering top price. So what tells me is that you as the seller, even though it's a seller's market, you still have to make sure that your house shows at the top if you want to get top dollar offers, right? So we're still down 30% from our pre-COVID levels. People really were expecting a dramatic drop, and that is not the case. The highest percentage of canceled listings were seen in the luxury market, actually. But anything under $500,000, we saw an increase of prices per square feet. So as always, I hope this glance of a local real estate market has been helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions. Just type them below. Thanks again, and until next time.